हाय हॅलो नमस्ते. स्वागत आहे तुमचं माझ्या चॅनलमध्ये. माझ्या चॅनलचं नाव आहे जॉमेट्रिकल वर्ड आणि आज आपण ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द सर्कल शिकणार आहोत. तर पहिलं आहे सेंटर. द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इन द एक्झॅक्ट मिडल ऑफ द सर्कल इज कॉल्ड सेंटर. हिअर O इज द सेंटर. Next, radius. The distance from the center to any point on the boundary is called radius. Here OA is the radius. Next, diameter. A straight line passing directly through center that connect two points on the circle is called diameter. Here PQ is the diameter and diameter is double of the radius. Next, chord. A line segment connecting any two points on the circle's boundary is called chord. Here CD is the chord and diameter is longest chord on the circle. Arc. A continuous portion or curved section of the circumference is called arc. Here AB is the arc. Sector. The pie-shaped region bounded by two radii and an arc is called sector. Next, segment. The region bounded by a chord and an arc is called segment.